Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can import contacts onto your ActiveCampaign account, so let's get right into it. Now, you do need contacts to do most things on ActiveCampaign, whether it be sending campaigns, sending emails, etc., and you do have a contact list which you can enter. Now, you can also import those contacts if you've used any other list tools before, so I'll show you exactly how that is done. Now, firstly, go to your original service or tool that you're using, and then from there export your contacts. That's going to be most likely a CSV file, and then you're going to be importing that over here into ActiveCampaign. Now you need to go into contacts and go under the contacts tab. As you can see, I have a short list of contacts, and what you need to do now is press import. Now this is going to prompt you to select a file which you want to import. You can import from file or copy and paste your contacts, and as you can see, you do need to import a CSV file. I don't have a CSV file, but I'll just select whichever random file I find on my computer. So let's click on import from file. Here you need to select whatever you want. I'll select this one, for example, and as you can see, you need to use a valid CSV file before importing, but if you select a valid CSV file, it's just gonna prompt you to import it, and then just wait until it's imported, and that should be done. You might need to fix a couple of different things depending on the fields that your contacts use. However, that is case dependent. You can also copy and paste your contacts. As you can see, you can paste your contacts here using the following format, which is this or this here. So for example, I'll go Bob Smith as the example told me, then bob.smith at test.com, and then let's say age is 32. Click next, and as you can see, it's processing the import, and as you can see, that is pretty much it. Now you can import this field, and I'll just add, I don't know, computer info, and for this I'll select first name, and that is basically it. You can check off other information if you want to. I won't. And as you can see, now it's importing, and once that's done, it'll be in my list. And that is basically it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.